In this video, we will see how to make money in Freecash. Surveys are one way to make money on Freecash. You will answer several questions and get rewarded for it. Surveys can take up to an hour and usually pay small but reliable amounts. Offers from offer walls may take a little longer. However, they have a lot better payout rate. This guide will explain how to make the most amount of money in a short amount of time. Featured offers. One of the easiest ways to make quick money on Freecash is to view your featured offers. These are offers suggested by Freecash that many other users have completed. You can find them under the Featured Offers title on the Earn page. Each featured offer displays the required steps to complete, some taking less than 10 minutes. Some featured offers are from Freecash, and some are from other offer walls, such as Revenue Universe or Adjment. For example, in this offer, you need to play World of Warships, and you can get paid up to $8.15. You earn 10 cents just by registering $2.07 by collecting a Tier 1 ship, and $5.03 by playing at least 11 battles with various ships. Featured offers are often an easy and reliable way for you to make quick money on Freecash. There are newly featured offers every day for you to play games, sign up for websites, or subscribe to a service. However, featured offers aren't the only way to make quick money on Freecash. Offer walls. Offer walls are the most common way to make the most money in the least amount of time. Offer walls depend on the region you are located in, but most regions will have several offer walls. They are found in the middle of the Earn page below Featured Offers. By doing this, you can make a lot of money on Freecash. For example, offers may ask you to start a free trial, purchase a subscription, use the app for a certain amount of time, or complete some in-game quest in exchange for money. For example, in the Offer Surfshark button Offer on Offer Taro, you can earn $6 just by signing up for a free trial. There are hundreds of thousands of offers across the several offer walls on Freecash, meaning you can make hundreds of dollars per week using the site. Plenty of free trial offers can be found on Lootably, OfferToro, and AdGate Media, and with a bit of time and effort, you can make more than $100 in just a few days. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.